So we're knee deep in snow here. It's now March 19th, and we had a really rough week. I went away for a couple of days, a little mini vacation, and I just got back. Didn't really have time to edit video and spend too much time putting anything out there, but I've got a good hour and a half of video from the storm on Wednesday. I think a lot of people got hit by some of the other YouTubers out there got hit by that storm. We had about 11 inches, 25 centimeters. We had more than 11 inches. We had about 12, 13 inches of snow. It drifted though like crazy, so we had spots where there was 5 foot drifts, but not a lot of area like that, but a lot of spots where there's a good 2 feet, 24 inches of snow. And it was tough. It was tough going. It was the worst storm of the year. If you ask me, the wind just howled all night. I didn't get a good night's sleep because the wind just kept waking us up, and so I threw together a little bit of video, and I'll put another one together too. And that's probably going to be the last snowstorm of the year. I don't expect to go out again. If I do go out again, it'll be something really, really minor. But this was a significant snowfall. So the first little bit's me just driving home, preparing for the storm. I fueled up everything, greased everything I could. Checked all the fluids, did an oil change on one machine just to prepare in advance, and then I went home, got a little bit of sleep, and the next video you see is I'm running around doing the sidewalks, and then I'm back at night in the tractor, a little bit of that. It was pretty wild snowstorm, and it didn't let up there. Thursday the 16th we were out there cleaning up drifts, so. And everything we did had to be done again on Thursday, so it drifted like mad. So watch that, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. So I just filled up the salter. I got about a yard of salt, 3/4 of a yard to a yard, and I should be good for the next day and a half anyway, I hope. So I won't have to fill it up till Thursday, probably, or Friday if I have to go back and spot salt. So that takes some time off. I won't have to start so early tomorrow morning. Then I'll leave the yard around 2:30, 3 o'clock. We're supposed to get snow right through all day tomorrow till after lunchtime anyway, afternoon. And then it's supposed to be light after that, flurries possibly, So the next time you see me, it may be in about, well, right now is the afternoon, so it could be about 12, 14 hours from now. We'll get some sleep and we'll get out. I don't know if I'll video any stuff in the dark. It just doesn't come out too good. So I was, a couple of days ago I did a video on V-Blocks. I hope you watched that. I had a lot of fun doing that. And I looked up the year in the, I have a little bit of paperwork that came with that toolbox those V-Blocks were in. And one of the biggest reasons why I bought the toolbox, which I thought I got a really good deal. I got the box and all the tools and everything for, I thought, a really good price. And one of the biggest reasons why I really wanted the V-Blocks, there was a couple other things in that I wanted too. There was a 1 to 2 inch micrometer and some other things. Some nice Starrett stuff, dividers, and anyway, files. It was all kinds of nice stuff. But I looked up the year on that letter, and it said 1959 was the date on that letter. So imagine these V-Blocks. It's so close to being finished, and 1959. So we're talking almost 60 years. 56, 57, 58 years. I'm not sure about that, but I think that I have to look at the list on those tools, but the V-Blocks might have been put in there later. But, anyway, I hope you watch that video. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.
you like?